In this lesson we are going to learn how to move around in the Tinkercad 3D world. Let's add a red box from the right side menu to the work plane. Using the left mouse button, let's drag and drop the red box on the work plane. Click anywhere on the blue work plane to deselect the red box. Right-click the mouse button and hold to rotate it around. Now try holding the middle mouse button and move from side to side. Use the middle mouse button to scroll in and out. Let's look on the left of the screen where you can see the menu with a cube on top. The cube is labeled with front, top, back, left, right and bottom. You can hold the cube using the middle mouse button and rotate the view as well. This cube also allows you to snap to one of those views. Try clicking the front side once. If you hover your mouse over the cube, there will be 4 gray arrows around it. Click one of the arrows to switch the view. Play with it for a bit to get the hang of it. It is very useful to have a fixed view. Under the cube you will see a picture of a small house or labeled home view. When you click it will reset the view back to the original view angle. The plus and minus signs will allow you to zoom in and out just like the scroll on your middle mouse button, which you can use in the case your mouse don't have a scroll. And the last icon on that menu is the switch between perspective view and flat orthographic view. Let's add a few more red boxes and see the effect that has on our view. You will see that in orthographic view, you lose all depth perspective. There is also a fit to view icon that can be accessed with the F key on the keyboard. Let's give it a try. Congratulations, you just learned how to navigate the Tinkercad 3D view. Next lesson we will learn about shapes.